Welcome to Teen Quiz 11. First question. Which is the most populous city in the world? It is Tokyo. Tokyo, the capital of Japan, is the most populous city in the world. Second question. With which field is Bhimsen Joshi associated? Hindustani music. He had made a great name in the field of Hindustani music. Third question. What does gobar gas contain mainly? Methane. The chemical formula is CH4. Fourth question. Who was called Jinda Peer in Mughal India? It was Aurangzeb. He was known as a living saint for the kind of simple life, simple religious life he led. Jinda Peer, he was known as. Fifth question. What popular fruit came to India from West Africa? It's a very popular fruit. It came from West Africa. It is watermelon. Watermelon is not an Indian fruit. We got it from West Africa. Sixth question. Which one of these doesn't belong to the group? I mean, you have to remove the odd one out. Varaha Mihira, Chanakya, Bhaskara, Aryabhata. Here, Chanakya is the odd one. Chanakya was the prime minister of Chandragupta Maurya. He is known for his Artha Shastra. The other three, Varamira, Bhaskara and Aryabhata, were all great mathematicians of India. Now, the seventh question. Which foreign country is very close to the Andaman Islands? It is Myanmar. Myanmar is very close to Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Eighth question. What vessels do carry water in plants? Xylem vessels. Xylem vessels carry water. 9. Which bank is known as the banker of banks? It is the Reserve Bank of India. It is the Apex Bank and it's called as the banker of banks. 10th question. Where are dead bodies kept in a hospital? Mortuary. Dead bodies are kept in a separate room called mortuary. 11th question. When is the Mother's Day observed? The Mother's Day is observed on 2nd Sunday in the month of May every year. Second Sunday of May. 12th question. What is the full form of DOS on the computer? DOS. Disk Operating System. 13th question. What did the soldiers keep in a quiver? Quiver is a pouch for keeping arrows. The quiver is put on the back and it will be full of arrows, and the archer takes them out one by one and sends it towards the target. 14th. What is Red Fort in Delhi built of? Red Fort is built of sandstone. Red sandstone. 15th question. Which is the most common health problem people suffer from? Caries. Caries. There will be toothache, cavity will be there, and due to the germs that inhabit these cavities, the person suffers from tooth pain. They are said to suffer from caries. 16th. What does our vertebral column protect? Our vertebral column gives protection to the spinal cord. The spinal cord that originates from the brain and goes down on our back, it is protected by the vertebral column. 17th question. In which year was the first railway line opened in India? It was in 1853. 1853. 18th question. What is the taste of an acidic substance? An acidic substance is sour to taste. For example, the citric juice, the lemon juice, it's acidic and it is sour. 19th question. How many do sing in a solo song? Solo means one. In a solo song, you find one singer. 20th question. Where do you find the sumo wrestling? It is found in Japan. It is the national game of Japan. 21st question. At what temperature both Fahrenheit and Celsius scales have the same value? Minus 40 degrees. At that temperature, the Fahrenheit and Celsius scales meet each other. 22nd question. What is the capital of Germany? Berlin. 23rd question. Which is the most common of all blood groups? O. Blood group O. Most of the people in the world have O blood group. 24th question. Which element is said to have more than 10 million chemical compounds? It is carbon. Carbon compounds, they play a major role in the field of chemistry. And the study of carbon and carbon compounds is called as organic chemistry. 25th question, last one. What is the name of the largest monkey? Gorilla. Gorilla happens to be the largest monkey. Thank you.